Tired of constantly typing in your Apple ID password every time you want to download a new app or make a purchase on the App Store? Well, today I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID for the App Store, making your life so much easier and your app downloads way faster. First, let's dive into your iPhone settings. Tap on the settings icon, which usually looks like a set of gears. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see Face ID and passcode and tap on it. You might need to enter your current passcode to proceed, so go ahead and do that. Now look for the Use Face ID for section here. You'll see a list of options. Find iTunes and App Store and make sure the toggle switch next to it is turned green. If it's gray, tap it to enable Face ID for App Store purchases. And that's it. From now on, when you go to download an app or make an in-app purchase, you'll be prompted to use Face ID instead of having to type in your password. Just double-click the side button and glance at your phone, and the download will start automatically. Super convenient, right? This simple trick not only speeds up your downloads but also adds an extra layer of security to your App Store transactions. Enjoy your seamless and secure app downloads.